the kinky texture, the thickness, all of that. Like that's me. Good morning, everybody. So if you are new here, my name is Shae. Oh my gosh, I hope my microphone is not picking up me taking out my rubber bands, because I wanted to do a little braid out. But anyway, back to the introduction. My name is Shae. I do videos on locks, home decor, a little bit of fashion, a little bit of thrifting. And if you're new here, thank you for being here. We have fun over here. We mostly talk about locks, but we talk about other things too. So if that's your jam, go ahead and subscribe. Today's video, we are going to do a quick little braid out because I just wanted to sit down and chat. I'm getting ready to go to a event at my church. It's a Galentine's brunch, and my sister's coming with me. She's on the way, but I was like, you know what? Let me just sit down because I need to take out these braids. They've been in for a week. So let's just sit down and talk about locks. Let's talk about hair. Let's talk about life. Let's talk about all the things. So let's talk about these locks. I am 5 years locked. I'll be 6 years locked in September. And how do I feel about my locks right now? I still love them. I still really, really love them. I did a did I do a TikTok? Something to the fact of me saying like, this is the best hairstyle for me. I am truly, truly in love with them. As they grow longer, I'm loving them more. I feel like I can do less now that they're getting longer, if that makes sense. I mean, I never really did a lot. Y'all know that I'm just like not carefree, but as less as possible. Like, that's what I want to do. I don't want to do a lot of ponytails. I don't want to do a lot of things. And I feel like as they get longer, I can just let them hang. Well, they've always been hanging. I hope it makes sense what I'm saying, but they've always been hanging. But I just feel like I don't know. I guess what I'm trying to say is, as they've gotten longer and mature, I just feel like they look good. Not all the time, because we all have bad hair days, but they look good more. Does that make sense? I hope I'm making sense. I don't know. Maybe I'm not. I might just be, I might just be talking crazy. But I guess I'm now that they're more mature, they've just like come into their own. It's just like a child, or just like us. Like, we mature and we know what we want to do, right? Like, we've matured. We went through the crazy quote unquote ugly stage, which I feel like there's really not like a ugly stage, but you know, there's a stage where it's like, okay, locks, y'all need to get it together. Y'all need to come into your own. And I feel like mine have come into my own now. So I feel like they know what they want to do. Most of the time they lay right. They're just good. And I'm very, very happy with them. I also wanted to talk about a few of the most commonly asked questions that I get about my locks. I know I probably did a few videos about this, but as you make more and more videos, the older videos get buried down, so I might as well speak on it again. So as far as the number of locks I have 46 locks. I did not plan. I didn't go in and say, hey, I wanted a certain number of locks. I just braided or 2-strand twisted my hair one day, and I never took it out because, as you all know, this is my 3rd set of locks. I had 2 sets before. The first one I combed out. No, the first one I cut off. The second set I combed out. And so I wore a loose natural after I combed those out. And after a while, I was like, this ain't for me. These like 4-hour wash days and all that crap, this ain't for me. I'm going back to locking. So I was 2-strand twisting my hair a lot and kind of wearing that as a style, which I really, really liked. But it was me having to wear it for, I think I could probably get away with wearing my twist for like a month and like redoing the front, but I would have to take them out and then part my hair and redo it all. And I just got tired of it. So I said, I'm locking again. So I locked again. God, I'm dropping this microphone. You guys, I'm so sorry. So I locked again, and I am truly, 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 truly happy. I really do love my locks. I feel myself with my locks, if that makes sense. It's like not my identity, because of course, like, you know, this could all go away, God forbid, like my hair, you know, it's not my identity, but it does really, how do I explain it? Oh my gosh, hold on. I think the naturalness of it is like who I am, if that makes sense. The kinky texture, the thickness, all of that, like that's me. No knock to the girls that have the press hair or the weaves or whatever. That's you too. That's beautiful too. But like for me, the naturalness of it it's just what I love. It's just what I love. I recently found out that I was like 41% Nigerian. I did the ancestry.com. I am 41% Nigerian. So that's like that's what I'm made of the most, and I did not know that, and now I know. Okay. Cute, right? Cute. But we got to, because we have things to do. After this Galentine's brunch, my husband and I are going to the Getty Museum. Oh, you can see my microphone. My husband and I are going to the Getty Museum on like a little date. And I can't afford to have it all in my face. So we're going to do that. Okay, we have one more. So what was I saying? Oh yeah, I found out I was 41% Nigerian. And so of course I'm Googling like, did Nigerians wear dreads or whatever? You know, like, trying to really come into myself over here. But anyway, the research that I found is that they mostly wore braids. And then of course the Egyptians were like the first known people to have dreads or locks or whatever you want to call it. So even though from what they tell us, locks originated in Egyptian, I'm not Egyptian, but I'm African and they're African too. I just feel like this is me. I don't foresee me having any other hairstyle besides me like cutting these off and just wearing it like really, really low, which I don't know if I'll ever do, but that would probably be my only hairstyle. I don't see me having a relaxer. I don't see me wearing a weave, you know, things like that. It's just not me. This is me. But that's all. I mean, I hope I wasn't rambling. I hope it made sense. But I just wanted to do like a braid out with you guys and talk and not just have like the music playing, but just kind of talk about some stuff. Okay, so all I need to do is now just put up my little and we are done. I don't know if I need any oil on it. We'll have to see, but we'll have to see. But I think we're good, and I think we got them all out. Let's turn around and do a back and this way. I hope that's good. Okay, you guys. All right, let me go and then I'll show you my outfit in a minute. Oh my gosh. It's fine if you come closer. My sister's here and I'm so glad because she can actually get my outfit for me. So this dress is And Other Stories. I only wore it one time when I went on a cruise last year. Leather jacket from Nordstrom's, tennis shoes, my Walmart sneakers. I still love these sneakers. They are so good. Vintage Junie and Burke, and these are some Steve Madden glasses.